Fisher & Paykel Cool Drawer is our one-zone convertible refrigerator freezer drawer, which gives the user 5 different temperature profiles to choose from. The first temperature mode is at freezer, which is 0 degrees. Within that mode, there is actually a deep freeze function that will allow the drawer to reach a temperature of -13 degrees, which is really great for that long-term, possibly seasonal storage. Next up from freezer, there's a mode called chill. Chill is 31 degrees, and chill is great for short-term storage of your dense proteins. Next up is fridge, of course at 38 with flex up and down. Then there's pantry mode. Pantry is really nifty in that it's 54 degrees, and it's great for anything that lives on the countertop. And next up is wine mode. So wine mode is the warmest setting, and that has 2 optimized temperatures for storage of white and red wine, 45 degrees and 59 degrees respectively. In addition, there are 2 other features that one can use with the Cool Drawer. One of them is called fast freeze. So let's say you've brought home something on the warmer side from the store. You're gonna wanna get it as cold as possible, as quickly as possible, because that is really the key to preserving its freshness for as long as possible. Next up is bottle chill. Bottle chill is really just a 15-minute alarm. So let's say you've placed a bottle of wine in here for chilling. In 15 minutes, the Cool Drawer will remind you that that bottle is ready to go. The Fisher & Paykel Cool Drawer is 36 inches wide and affords the user 3.1 cubic feet of capacity and a lot of flexibility for the configuration within. Looking on the inside here, you'll see that we have 2 bins, and we happen to have our Cool Drawer set up here at the New York Experience Center as a beverage center. These bins are movable and flexible. You can stand bottles upright. You can also lie bottles down for storage here. We have 2 humidity-controlled bins, so if you are using the left-hand section of the Cool Drawer in refrigerator or pantry mode, you can go ahead and adjust the level of humidity. The nice thing also here is that these bins can actually be removed. They can come out, as can the divider that sits between the 2 of them. So if you happen to need this as a large open drawer for storage, maybe you're gonna store an ice cream sheet cake or a sleeve of ice, or just something on the larger side, you have that flexibility here. In addition to this being somewhat of a beverage center, this could also be used in an island application. You can have it be compartmentalized, maybe to store prepared produce, your chopped veggies, that sort of thing. It could also be auxiliary freezer space. Or you can get creative with the Cool Drawer and actually take it out of the kitchen. This would be great as a master suite piece. You could store cosmetics, champagne, perhaps cigars in here as sort of a humidor kind of a thing. So you really have a lot of options here. They're great in hotels, master suites, boats. Really the application here is endless. We've went ahead and integrated these into our cabinetry and applied custom panel fronts. You'll notice here for both of these Cool Drawers that there are 2 panels. The first panel, of course, is to cover the refrigerator itself, and the lower panel here is a false removable panel in the event the unit ever required service. So it is 2 panels that will have to be fabricated. Should the customer prefer to have a matching suite of stainless, we do have Cool Drawer panel options by Fisher & Paykel that can incorporate several of our different handle styles. However, it is important to note that that lower panel will always have to be fabricated.